welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I would be trying the bold cap method. If you're new to this channel, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to turn your post notification bell on to stay updated with me whenever I post a new video. And welcome to my channel. So let's get straight into the video. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Queen IB. You know what I mean? If you ain't effing with me, then you ain't a queen. So as you read the title, I would be trying the bold cap method, and it's gonna be my first time doing this. I just braided my hair and this was so hard to do considering that I have nails on, so I tried my best anyways. Let's get started. So in the video it was requested that I get either the sheer leggings or the socks. This was the only one that I could find and it's gonna work the same anyways. I got this wig of Shein and like just look at that. 180 density, 26 or 28 inches I think, but it's pretty long, I'm not gonna lie. I know it looks so big but it's not, okay? Like I would show the before of how this wig looked. This looks way much better to how it is right now. So like, can you see that? Can you see that? So that's the front. Ooh, that's the front. Smells so nice. That's the front. I haven't really done the middle part, but I'll do that soon. And I don't know if I should pluck but I'll see how it goes. So I'm just prepping my wig. I have my hot comb ready and all I'm doing is just pushing all the hair back so that way it would make it easier for me to apply the wig on my head. My wig is done. I didn't want to pluck it or anything. Well, I don't know how to pluck that good, so I just decided to leave it as it is. So first things first is I'm gonna apply my edge control gel to my edges, push back all my hair so that way nothing is in the way. And the product that I used was Male Edge Control, and this is so good. It's so perfect. It smells so nice as well. And like, just look at that. Like, look how perfect it is. So I'm just cutting my tights and making sure that it's a perfect fit. But let me tell you something, okay? This was so hard to put on my head considering the fact that I got a large instead of an extra large. When it comes down to cutting next to my ears, this is where I messed up, okay, because this was so hard. I made so many mistakes by fixing the wig and then applying the got2b glue spray back on the tights when I've already dried it off, which made it so hard for me. So cutting the lace was not that difficult, but you see what just happened, and dun, da, da, dun, it's off my head. So I've gotten another one and I made sure that I'm very careful with this as I'm using the scissors to cut everything off, and this was working well for me. I still ended up doing the same mistake, but I made sure I fixed it quickly as I could. Just cutting off the excess off and then applying my glue, making sure that it's well put enough, and then I'm spreading it everywhere around, and I'm gonna make sure that it just dries off, and then I'm gonna apply my second layer of glue. I just realized I had that on my hair dryer, but I took it off once I noticed it was on. Now I'm just applying some foundation on top of it and making sure that I rub any excess off with rubbing alcohol. So now I'm putting the wig on, making sure that I want it where it needs to be, making sure that any excess lace is off my head. I forgot to take my rubber bands, but using the clips that I had was annoying because you guys can see the struggle I was going through. Now I'm just going in, pushing my hair in front, getting ready to cut the lace to where I want it to be, ensuring that everything is good. So now I'm gonna go in with a third layer of glue before I apply my wig on, just to give it that extra snug, that way it doesn't move in place. And after that I'm gonna allow it to dry a bit. So now I'm applying my wig over the glue that I just applied and ensuring that it stays in place.
Who needs filter when you're the filter?
So now the wig is laid down and just look at that. Then I'm just pushing in the hair, ensuring that it sticks to the glue, and I'm going back in with my hot comb just to flatten the front a bit, but I still wanted that thickness to it. And I did not pluck my hair because I wanted to leave it like that. So I'm just cutting the excess lace off, ensuring that I make it to the natural state that I can, cutting it very close to the hair. So my camera cut off, and just look at that. Look how perfect that is. As I forgot to take a video after I finished because I thought my phone was still recording, and I did a pretty good job considering it's my first time trying the bald cap method on my hair. I can still improve, but I'll take this as an achievement.